Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to implement named entity recognition, which is also known as NER, with Perplexity AI. This technique helps identify and categorize entities in text, such as names, locations, and organizations. So let's get started. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. Now you can do by getting on the this settings icon, which is on the bottom left corner. Now get on the top right corner and select API section. Now select docs and then select this get started button. Now here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will give you access to Perplexity AI's NER features. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now integrate the Perplexity AI API into your text processing system by configuring it to handle text inputs and perform NER tasks. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing data flow. Now prepare your text data by collecting and formatting it for analysis. Define the types of entities you want to recognize, such as names, locations, and organizations. Now use the Perplexity AI API to process the text and extract named entities. The API will analyze the content and identify entities based on your defined categories. Implement the necessary code to integrate this functionality into your system. Now test the NER process with sample texts to ensure the API accurately identifies and categorizes entities. Adjust the model and settings based on the test results for improved accuracy. Now monitor the performance of your NER system and make improvements based on feedback and evolving needs. Now deploy your NER solution into your production environment, ensuring it effectively identifies and categorizes entities into your text data. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI to implement named entity recognition, enhancing your ability to extract and categorize important information from text. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.